Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to Zendesk for customer support workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Shopify to Zendesk for customer support workflows, start by logging into your Shopify account. From the Shopify admin panel, navigate to the App Store. In the search bar, type Zendesk and press enter. Select the Zendesk app from the search results. Click on the Add App button to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. Once the installation is complete, log in to your Zendesk account. In Zendesk, navigate to the Admin Center by clicking the gear icon. Under the Channels section, locate and select Apps. Scroll down to find the Shopify integration and click on it. Follow the setup instructions to connect your Shopify store. You will need to enter your Shopify store URL for authentication. Click Connect to establish the connection between Shopify and Zendesk. Once connected, customize the settings according to your support workflow needs. Consider enabling the ticket creation feature from Shopify orders. Ensure that you configure notifications to streamline communication. Test the integration by creating a test order in Shopify. Check Zendesk for any newly created tickets related to the test order. Adjust any settings as needed based on the results of your test. Invite your support team to familiarize themselves with using Zendesk for Shopify tickets. Provide training on how to manage customer inquiries effectively within the platform. Monitor the integration regularly to ensure it functions as intended. Consider gathering feedback from your team to improve the support workflow. By following these steps, you will effectively connect Shopify to Zendesk, enhancing your customer support capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.